This is your home screen. It displays the current state of your car. If it's charging, driving, or if doors are open, that will be indicated here. Your Tesla's name and state of charge show here. Tap the battery to view and adjust your charge limit. Tap to lock or unlock your Tesla. Turn climate on or off. Open or close your charge port, or open your front trunk. Select Controls for more, including the ability to start your Tesla remotely so it can be driven even when you're not near it. You can always return to the home screen by swiping right or tapping here. The Climate menu allows you to adjust cabin temperature, heated seats, defrosters, and more. You can even vent your windows. Open Location to see where you and your Tesla are on a map. This is great for finding your Tesla in a parking lot. Tap for directions to your Tesla, to center the map on your car, or to toggle satellite view. Pinch to zoom out and reveal nearby supercharger stations. The pins indicate how many superchargers are currently free at each station. Tap one to see the types of amenities and the maximum amount of power the station offers. Send the station to your Tesla and it will navigate to it when you get inside. This also begins preparing your battery to charge as quickly as possible once you arrive. You can send any destination to your car's navigation from your favorite Maps app. Open the location in your Maps app and go to share it, the same way you would if sending it over text or email. Find the Tesla app and tap it to send the location to your car. When you get inside, your Tesla will be navigating to this location. If your Tesla is equipped with Summon, you can control it from the app. Pull your Tesla into or out of a tight parking spot, or use Smart Summon to have your Tesla drive to you as you monitor it on private property. You can also purchase upgrades and subscriptions for your Tesla that wirelessly add features like Summon. Manage any current subscriptions or explore accessories for your Tesla here too. Control Sentry, Valet, and Speed Limit modes from the Security menu. Scroll to the bottom to see information about your Tesla, including your odometer reading, VIN, and current software version. Scroll back up and you can open your profile. If you're an iPhone user with a Tesla vehicle, you can add a Tesla widget to your phone's home screen. Press and hold, tap the plus icon, and then add the widget. It's a quick way to view your Tesla's name, state of charge, location, and security information like locks and Sentry mode.